Sir, kindly give me a moment. It is with a very, very heavy heart that I have to tell our viewers the Indian Air Force has now confirmed we've unfortunately lost the pilot. The Indian Air Force, in a statement, has just said that an Indian Air Force Tejas met with an accident during the aerial display at Dubai Air Show. The pilot sustained fatal injuries in the accident. The Indian Air Force deeply regrets the loss of life and stands firmly with the bereaved family in this hour of grief. In this time of grief, a court of inquiry is being constituted to ascertain the cause of the accident. Unfortunately, we have lost the pilot in this crash as the pilot tried to execute a maneuver. The Indian Air Force has now confirmed the pilot was lost in this crash, in this accident. I want to quickly bring in my colleague Shivani, breaking this story on India Today. Shivani, very, very unfortunate. These fighter pilots, they execute very risky maneuvers, and in this case, unfortunately, we lost the pilot.
Gaurav, this is a very unfortunate crash that has taken place where the pilot has lost his life, and the Indian Air Force has just put out that statement after ascertaining all the facts, because we were saying that as we were witnessing those videos, we could not place any parachute out there. We could not place the ejection images of the pilot, and the Indian Air Force has now confirmed that the pilot has sustained fatal injuries and he could not survive this crash. But certainly now the court of inquiry has been constituted to know the reason of this crash, why this happened, was there a technical malfunctioning, how this aircraft could not pull up after that maneuver, because the pilots are trained for these maneuvers. They are the routine maneuvers they've been doing and they've been practicing. So what went wrong? Why this particular aircraft could not go back into the air? It lost its thrust and it hit the ground, and we saw those flames that were there on the ground as they just hit the ground there, and the pilot has also not survived in this particular incident. So what was it that it did not give in even those fractions of seconds to the pilot to eject and go back into the air and
For the benefit
himself?
of our